It's Friday, November 18th. 2 more days. Yes, sirree, Bob. But I'm not only celebrating my birthday on Sunday, I want you guys to celebrate with me tomorrow. We sent out an email, but if you didn't see it, let me just tell you. Tomorrow, Saturday the 19th, in honor of my birthday, you come shopping with us or call us, and for every regular priced item you buy, the second regular priced item will be 70. Yes, I said 70. 70% off. Have I lost my marbles? Possibly. Aging, I don't know, makes you do strange things. But anyway, so tomorrow only, buy one, get one, 70% off. So the get one is of equal or lesser value, right? So for every 2 items you buy, one of them will be 70% off. So it pays to buy in even numbers, right? Do the math. It's pretty cool. Look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. I may not be in the store. I've got a little hustling around to do, which I was hustling so hard yesterday. I completely forgot to make a video. So you didn't miss it. I just didn't get it done. So that's my big announcement. You'll see the email tomorrow in celebration of my B-Day. Buy one, get one, 70. Yes, I said 70% off. See you tomorrow.